And they should expect something in the nines from this athlete, Hollie Vise. Remember last year at the team event in Syracuse, she clinched the win for the Americans with an amazing bar routine, ended it with a perfectly stuck dismount.
Beautiful positions throughout the exercise. This is one of her strongest events. Nice line, open shoulder angles. A little bit of a struggle on that cast. Dismount double front. And again a stick. Well, that's definitely going to help Al.
Good fight, good fight.
Tremendous flexibility in this athlete. Her coach Evgeny says that that's one of her best qualities. Little bit off balance here and there in the exercise, and a little bit of form here and there. The legs come apart. Each time you do that, you lose 1/10 of a point, but